Hey guys, welcome to our channel today. So today we're going to make some Jamaican patties. So we're going on the road to get the ingredients. Yeah, so stay in tune. Guys, welcome to my channel today. So today I am gonna make Jamaican beef patty. Yeah, so in here I have some flour, table salt, turmeric powder, and then curry powder. I have my butter here. I'm gonna slice them in small pieces, put them in the dough and mix it with a fork, you know, to get it all together. Then I have my creamy milk, fresh British double creamy. There is my lard butter, and I'm gonna add a little bit of that. So let's get this ball rolling. So guys, I put the butter inside the flour, so I'm gonna mix in the butter into the flour. See, I'm using the fork to mix in the flour inside the butter. I'm mixing the butter inside the flour. It's hard butter, so make sure it's freeze. You know the beef, yo. So I have to finish preparing this when you had your curry, your milk and everything. You just put it in a clean flame and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then you start prepare your meat. I'll do this one off camera when I finish. You'll see the. So I already had curry and everything, but yeah, probably had a little bit more, but that's how it looks. So I'm adding my creamy milk. See how creamy it is. Then I'm going to use a fork to mix it in. My seasoning for my beef. I have already seasoned up this beef. Yeah, that's my seasoning. So with this time you need to take off the leaves. My little pepper, you need more pepper, but yeah. So guys, this is my seasoning. So we have thyme, carrot, onion and pepper and thyme. So guys, I put my beef in. Already seasoning. So you want this to touch the color. Then you will have the tip of browning and some soy sauce. After this finish, I'm gonna blend it. So all the seasoning can blend in as well. It's gonna taste nice. So guys, see what it looks like now. Cooking down. See my soy sauce and my browning there already. So guys, I had some browning Just gonna add a little bit more to give it that brown color. So my dough is in the fridge 30 minutes. Guys, you see that? It's finished, lovely. So I'm gonna put this one into my blender and blend it up. Yeah, well, I'm gonna start my dough now. Guys, that's my dough. Yeah, I didn't make it too hard. I make it a little bit soft because I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on here. Yeah, to do my dough. That's my butter. That's not any kind of butter though, that's lard butter. Then I'm gonna use this to scrape it on my dough. Yeah, then I'm gonna use this to rub out the dough, so because I'm the only one doing the video, so you know it's kind of awkward, so I'll show you the finishing. And this is my beef that I'm gonna blend. So guys, that's it. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it over like this. Yeah, and like this. Yeah, and then I'm gonna use my this and rub it. Rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. But I have to do that one off camera because it's messy. See? That's all. That's all. This is my dough. And this is my blended beef. So I'm adding it inside. Then I do it like this. Like that. Because I'm using my one hand, see, so it not turn out right.
Record, go.
Don't talk about what. You can't help me rub it door. Like every day, no? This stick is so good. So as you can see, my pot in the oven baking. Start getting the crisps already. How beautiful. Oh, hold me. Yeah, that's my patties. So guys, this is the finishing of my patty. That's it. That's how it looks. So my hubby is gonna give me the review of the patty.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it first to see how it tastes.
Yeah, open it
Shall I go?
so they can see inside of the patty.
Get my hands ready.
All of that.
Are you watching?
Break it inside. Let's see the inside. Ooh. Nice.
Yummy, it's hot. It is hot.
Like OJ want to take part too.
Oh, OJ, mind your hands. This is hot. Ah,
I figure remove it from him.
it's crispy. It breaks so easily.
Because it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
This one they sing at Jamaica say hot patty, who bangs it out?
Look.
Beautiful.
Ooh.
You don't have to bite the hot part. Holy crap, why didn't you bite the hot part? How is it? Review now.
Good. Very good. Yummy. This is so tasty. So nice.